Hello, in this tutorial we explain how to understand previous position, closing loss or profit. So let's first write a simple strategy. If close is higher than previous high, so open a long position. A strategy that entry ID long direction strategy that line one direction is enough because we want a simple code, and a strategy that exit IDC long from entry long, and profit here we say SLTP we declare a variable input example 10. I don't know how much is SLTP, and also same for loss SLTP. Okay, we add it to chart, and it's really low. Our SLTP is low. Okay, it's good. It's not good but can be better. For example this. Yeah, no, it's perfect. Okay, so for example we want to know our current position or previous position, I mean position, our last closed position. Okay, we want to see is it close in profit or loss. Here it close in loss. Okay, so let's we show how. I say if bar state dot is less, label dot new bar index high. Here we add a text that we say our last close position close in loss or in profit. Okay, a loss or in profit. We use for this with PS profit or for a profit or loss, for example. We say a strategy that closed trades that entry price. Okay, and here let's visit, yeah, and to get last one we write this a strategy dot close trades minus one. This give us last closed position entry. Okay, give us for example this price. Okay, if this is higher than, or less, we write this, we say okay, if this less than which strategy dot close trade dot exit price. Okay, so here it tells us this: if entry if exit price, okay, this means exit price of last close position is less than, is higher than, is higher than our entry price. So here show profit, else loss. Okay, if else, if it our exit price is less than our entry, show loss. And here we write it str dot to string pl. We update it to chart. As you see here, it wrote, I add bar index maybe 3, show it. Okay, it show loss. Okay, loss because our trade, our exit is less than our entry. Okay, so after that, yes, I check just one thing. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so but it's for buy position. How we can recognize this for sell position? So we should also detect position direction. So we write here L. L is mean long position. We say if a strategy dot position strategy that close trade like this dot best way is we use entry ID. Okay, if entry ID is long, so it means our position is L. Entry ID is long. Then we don't write like this. We say here we write this, and then we add this. Okay, so if it's equal to long, it means we are in long position. If we add a sell position, we should say, okay, if our entry ID, for example, is equal to sell ID, for example, equal to short, so our direction is short position. Okay, so here it's better I add a one and if L and this, so this is profit. No, it's we write it like this. Let's I define a short to if close is less than, for example, previous low, such that entry short, and here see shorts, here short. Okay, let's I show you. So now here our strategy entry should be short. Okay, so now as you see here we have some short position too. Okay, here this is for our L, this is also for our short. we say okay, if strategy dot entry id of close trade is equal to short. Okay, so this is PL. We write one thing about PL1. If our exit price is less than our entry, we are in profit because we are sell. Okay, so how we can show here? We can say if L if L this else PL1. Okay, so if our position is long, if our last position was long, if our last close position was long, use this. Otherwise, it's short, use this. Okay, so we update it on chart. Yeah, last one is on profit because it is a sell position and exit is less than one. Okay, and let's check, for example, last one is lows, last close one, this is still is open. The same last one closed one because here it's closed by a short position. Okay, so exit price is less than our entry, so last position, last close position is in loss.